Welcome to my channel. Um, we have a faulty LED light bulb. You all know them. Yeah, just open them and then you can see inside there. You just get this thing here. You see there's a LED. There's a bad LED. It's got a black mark on it. This is normally the one that is in the circuit that's faulty. And let's change it a bit. You take your soldering iron. And now you're gonna remove, they stick this thing with glue, so you have to actually damage this thing and just get it off the PC board. Bit of a hassle. Just scrape it off. You're gonna take some solder. Let's heat up those things a bit. After that is off, you can clean it a little bit. Then we're gonna take a LED, like a 5mm LED. We're gonna solder it in there. Okay, you can see I cleaned it and soldered it, turn it again, and then you take a 5mm LED. Make sure on this LEDs, just to let you understand, on the side here's a little nick, and this is the negative, only on one side, and then you know before you remove it, then you know which side is negative. This is negative. Then your 5mm LED. You can just check here. There's a small plate and a big plate. The small plate is positive, the big area is the negative. Now you just turn your LED's legs. And we're going to solder it on here. The solder work doesn't look so great because it's difficult to solder here. Just bend it. And now we're going to try it. Just put the lid back on. Okay, now I just put this back into a socket here. I'm going to put the switch on. There it goes. So there it works again. So you can recover most of your faulty LEDs. It's not always that electronics goes, the LEDs that they overdrive and then it gets too hot and then it blow. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It will help you a little bit. Till next time. Cheers.